Welcome to Guided, stories of signs, synchronicities, whispers, and waking up. This is where we meet at the edge of logic and listen deeper. Let's explore what happens when we stop forcing and start flowing. Here's Terry and the guy inside.
No, it's the guide inside.
The guide inside.
Episode 1, The Voice in the Dark. Hey, welcome to Guided, a space where we share true spiritual stories from real people all over the world. Maybe you felt this. Something happens that is impossible to explain, but also impossible to ignore. And today's story gave me goosebumps. It's from one of the comments on our YouTube channel. It's early morning, pitch black. A time when it's easy to feel alone, but maybe we're not. Because CLD is driving their garbage truck, just like any other early morning. The route is familiar, the rhythm second nature. It's still completely dark outside, no traffic, no people. Just the low hum of the truck and the quiet of the road. Nothing unusual until they hear it. A voice. It's a man voice, speaking directly into their right ear, close, like 2 inches away, just 3 words. Be on guard. No one is there, but they hear it as clearly as someone is sitting right next to them. They turn the radio off. Their body goes alert, sitting up straighter, scanning the road ahead. An intersection is coming up, the kind where they usually make a turn and then reverse to service the other side of the road. So that's what they do. They pull up, look both ways, not once but twice. Still nothing. No headlights, no people, all clear. They start a turn, then gently tap the reverse button. But something is different this time. They slow way, way down, and then, in the backup monitor, they see him. A kid standing directly behind the truck. No way he was there when they checked. He must have crossed the road the moment they turned. Wearing a black hooded sweatshirt, walking to his bus stop in the dark, completely invisible to the naked eye. If the truck had backed up at normal speed, well, this wouldn't be a story. It would be something else entirely. But it is a story because the voice came first. Those 3 words. CLD says it's the first and only time that they ever heard a voice like that. They ask often, but nothing until this moment. And in their words, I went from a believer to a knower in the afterlife. I was so thankful I didn't run the boy over. It was divine intervention. They are always around guiding us. Peace. Have you ever had moments like this? Something you can't explain, but you know it was guidance? We would like to hear it. In fact, I would love it if you could send us your story through a voice memo or a video. You can check out below. There you will find the description and the details. And you can be anonymous, you can be raw, just speak from the heart. And if you do, you're not just sharing a story, you're becoming part of something bigger. You're actually helping someone feel a little more seen and a little more lonely in this groggy wakening up phase of our lives. And a little more guided. Thanks for being with us. Until next time, keep listening. They're closer than you think.